Welcome back to a new Minecraft, awesome gaming video. Today, me and, I forgot, her name was Gigi Waffle. Oh yeah, Galaxy Girl. She's actually Gigi Waffle, but she is somewhere else. I have no idea. Where are you? On a roof.
Like on a floor thing? I can fly.
You can fly.
Are you on survival?
No.
I'm not either. Where are you?
Do you see like two strips of something?
Oh, yeah.
Fly up.
Okay.
Go to the sky.
Okay, I'm here. Let's start.
So yeah, by the way, she has a new skin.
I'm a mermaid.
Mermaid swimming in the sea.
Where are you?
TP to me. Wait.
I don't know how to.
I'm just gonna put you
I'm
on.
gonna get to the floor. Are you on the floor?
Okay, stay where you are. Are you like in a building?
I was on a roof. I used to be on a boulder. I was
Go
on
down,
the,
go down. Go down to the floor.
Are you on the floor?
Yeah, I'm there. I'm on one of those strips.
Which one?
Not the opposite one.
What's the opposite one?
I see ya. I see your net tag. Okay, we found each other now. Well, she didn't find me, but I found her.
Hey.
Stop. Hey, Lily, I'm from you. Okay, let us what this.
Are we gonna be on survival when we do this?
No. Okay, so come with me.
What is this?
Please don't push. It's the rocket. Please don't push the button, cause you. Okay, come with me. Come with me.
And this one is it?
Oh, it's the buildings to get in the rocket. So, just come with me. By the way, this is like a rocket map. I think it's the same as I see, because I think I saw somebody.
Well, can we go on here?
Yeah, we're gonna come here.
There's like a
There's the entrance.
I wanna go on here. Come on.
Okay, I have no idea how to get there.
What's all of these things?
It's like an operating room. Okay, here. I found. This is like a spaceship. I saw somebody once played this, but I don't know if it's like the same.
Spaceship.
Yeah, come with me.
Where
Come
are
with
you?
me.
You
I'm
keep
here.
running.
I'm behind you. I'm jumping.
There you are. What's my metaphor? I just said keep running. How far are you now? How are you
Yeah,
now?
come. I'm behind you. Okay, yeah, go there. Yeah, come. Follow me. Okay, I think this is where we go up into the spaceship. Yeah.
Flap.
This is gonna take an hour. This
Is
is
this
gonna
the
take
elevator?
an hour. No, it's not never. It's
Oh, we need to walk on stairs.
yeah, it's gonna
How
take
long did it take to go all of these stairs?
like 59,000 years, I think, because it goes on and it goes on and it never stops until we are on the very tippy top of the spaceship.
Because this spaceship.
Okay, I'm up.
I'm not yet.
There's a floor down, like literally beneath me.
I'm not there.
Yeah, no, I'm coming.
Why are you coming? I'm coming.
Come up here.
No, I'm up. I'm not yet.
Speed up. There you go. Finally. Okay, let's go here. Okay, go.
This is the spaceship.
Yeah. Okay.
Close the door.
No, you can't close the door. We gotta close.
What is
Okay.
it? Okay, there we go. What is it?
Hey, what? There's no space here.
Wait, sir. Why don't we just get on the way? I'm clicking a lever.
Okay, flick it.
You go down.
Okay, I'll stay here. You flick the lever. Did you flick it?
Yeah, there's another one.
Okay, now flick it.
I can't go up there because the door is locked. I think I locked it.
Okay. Yeah. Please don't. Wait a second. Just wait a second.
You can close this door. There's a button. I don't know where. Are we even in the spaceship?
Oh, we're here.
Here.
Okay, close the door. See, that thing just broke, so we're gonna two blocks full. Okay, how is this?
It said on my old statement 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off, and we're actually moving.
Really?
It's so dark in here.
I'm on the top.
Uh,
I can see outside. Like we're not moving at all.
we're not moving.
Yeah, we're not moving.
Are you sure?
I'm sure that rocket is not moving.
Just
It's
hold
just
up.
getting pretty dark outside. How do I fly out here? I can't go in again.
I'm like stuck in here.
I'm now stuck outside. How do I fly out?
Hey,
I'm stuck.
I think that thing broke. Let's just fly up to it. Come on. Let's go to the moon.
We can't actually go to the moon.
You can.
We can't fly that high.
You can. We're superheroes. Come up.
I'm coming. Can you seriously fly to the
Oh,
moon?
there's the moon. The moon looks awkward.
Oh, they're gonna take us to this building. I transported to this building.
The moon. This is the moon.
Small looks like a moon.
It's the moon. What the heck is going on? This
This
is not.
is not a moon. I
No.
can see the sun.
Yeah. I can't. What? There's like some kind of machinery here.
Really?
Yeah, it looks weird. I'm going inside. It's
There's
like.
water in here.
Yeah, no. Let's get in the. It's like a submarine. Come on, get in the sub. Get in the sub.
Cool, I'm here.
I'm gonna close the sub now. Hold up. I hate water. Please get out of my face, Missy.
I can't.
Mississippi.
I'm gonna pull a lever or press a button.
And please. Are you sure?
I press the button.
Oh, where we are now?
Where are you?
We are on the moon.
I know.
Where are you?
I'm still in that place. I'll press the button.
Yeah, no, flick the lever again.
There.
We're on the moon.
This looks funny.
Yeah, the moon looks awesome.
It looks weird.
What's that here?
Look like a moon.
I'll put our land. We choose to go to the moon.
We are on the ground.
What the cheese is going on here? Did we really not teleport to the moon? Okay, there's a button here. Okay,
There's a chest.
get the chest.
What's in it?
I
And
don't
there's a
know.
lever. There's just a bunch of blocks and a shovel.
Okay, I'm going home now.
Can I go with you?
Yeah, you can go with me.
I'm gonna get these blocks.
This moon looks very awkward.
And that's why you can say it's not. What is this on the
And yesterday, I know this is nothing.
11.
Can you please shut up for a while?
No, I'm not.
But yesterday, I watched like an awesome movie, and You would not know. I just kept saying awkward. I could not stop because there was somebody, he cut his hair awkwardly. And I screamed. My face rigged. Okay, I'm going home.
How?
Like this. What?
There's a button. I'm going home too.
We're back home. This looks awkward.
I'm not that one.
Yeah, because
Now I am.
awkward house.
Oh, we're in the house.
No. This is the house. Woohoo! Let's walk awkwardly.
Oh, no.
Okay, that was pretty fun.
No, that wasn't. That was weird.
Now let's push this button. Now let's push this button. 3, 2, 1. Come with me. It's like literally only left a foot up. Okay, I'm gonna push this button.
We just teleported to the moon.
What?
I'm going inside. Where are you?
Woohoo! Cannonball.
Because this rain is bothering me.
This map is so creepy. It's cringy.
Yeah, it's so weird.
Full on sky.
I'm in a waterfall thing.
Oh yeah,
I'm going to the floor.
I'm gonna do it too. I want to do this too.
I wonder where it goes. It's so long. It's taking me a while.
It's taking an hour. Cringe. I'm gonna change the weather now.
Okay, it did land eventually.
Okay. Are you serious? I wanna go and chat. I wanna change the weather. I forget things, people. People forget stuff.
I went from this kind down here.
Yeah, me too.
It was fun.
Yeah, I know. You wanna go on a ride?
What?
You wanna go on a ride?
I like these fun because they're really fast.
I'm going on a ride.
Where do you start?
It starts here. Come with me. If you know where I am. Cringy.
Go first.
Yeah, you can be the front sitter and then I'll be the black sitter.
Come to go.
Sit in that chair.
Which chair?
That one. Ride in it.
I'm taking a down.
Bye.
Okay, we'll
Ride in this one. Please excuse me more. But ride this one. Wait. Get out of the way. There we go.
Can I ride it?
Ride it.
It does not say ride.
Then stand next to it like I did.
I'm standing next to it.
Yeah, there.
It says ride. I'm riding it. You can.
Okay, we can't ride the same thing. Okay, just go forward. I'm gonna ride my own. Ride. Woo! Woohoo! This is extremely fun.
Are you in front of me?
Now I'm in the back of you. Woo! Polo.
Same.
Apollo. 18. This just got something I remember from like a movie or something. But I don't really know what I'm talking about, like a piece of cheese.
Stay back.
No, I don't want to go back. I want to go forward.
Fine.
You cringy butt fart. You pushed me. And now I'm going back.
I'm going back.
You cringy butt fart. Okay, this is awkward. Okay, going home. Polo. There's a chicken leg. I want to eat it. I'm so hungry. I'm winning.
back and music goes like your phone.
Please ride into my face.
Should I?
Yeah, you should.
One thing.
You just literally went through me.
I went through you.
Yeah, I know.
That was fun.
And I don't know if I told you guys before, but me and GP, well, Galaxy Girl have new skins.
I'm a mermaid.
And I am I'm not sure what it is, but it looks cool. It looks like an Egyptian wolf.
I want to angel gonna drag you amazing.
What?
Do the lever.
What?
I just
What? I'm cheap.
Yeah, I know. There.
I don't know, you frog. What? I said nothing.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah, but you guys maybe didn't understand it because it's not an English word. Because I'm not English. I'm in another language from another town, from another world.
He's an Egyptian. He's an Egyptian.
I do not come from Egypt. I come from Las Vegas.
You do not come from Vegas.
I know. I'm just
You're
joking.
Egyptian. You're Egyptian.
Will you please stop cheesing your face off?
You're Egyptian. You're Egyptian.
You are ridiculously cheesed off. I love saying that word.
You're Egyptian.
You are a mermaid. And you swim.
You are Egyptian. You are Egyptian. You're a girl, you like the skin of the game.
What?
If you were a girl, you like the skin.
What?
Or are you a girl?
Yeah, I'm a girl, obviously.
But if you were a normal girl.
I am a normal girl, you freaking cheese farts. I'm gonna eat your face. I'm stuck in a warehouse.
What are you doing?
I'm literally breaking every block in this house.
I'm not going on the stairs ever again. Like, I just fell. I don't know why and how. Oh, I know you can come
Fly in the sky.
Oh, I'm going in my inventory and I'm going to take something. It will be amazing. You're going to see what I'm going to do. Because we are not on.
I have something fun we can do. Let's shoot each other. Let's go like in Survivor and shoot each other with bombs.
Boring.
Are you serious? Because that's freaking boring. I love.
You have no idea what I'm doing.
Why are you slumber? I'm just throwing eggs everywhere.
I'm going to be dumping off the whole thing on there. I'm jumping off the building. The red one, I'm going to jump off it. Until I can.
Okay.
Oh, this is amazing.
I broke. What?
I'm jumping on this one.
Okay. Looks nice. I have something very interesting, people. You'll love it. But you can't know.
I know. I'm the sweeper. I'm asking you a question. Was it a secret?
I have no idea. I did totally nothing. Don't tell her.
What you do?
There's something I was meaning to ask you, but I never got the chance to ask you this.
What?
You should get a YouTube channel.
I'm not doing that.
Okay.
Why do you want me to get a time? You already have one. You share those again because I'm like always on the video.
We're actually kind of like sharing our YouTube channel. Well, my YouTube channel. It's like cheese. And it's awesome.
You're crazy.
You're a nut.
I'm not nuts. I don't even like nuts.
I love nuts. That's so tasty.
Not that.
Wait. There's an upstairs? Oh no, it's still the same thing. Bombs away.
Are we gonna put? Oh, I have something we can do. Can we blow up the spaceship?
Kind of what I'm doing.
Seriously, everything. Get TNT.
I got something faster.
What? Oh, you have an add-on.
It's not an add-on. It's end crystals.
What's end crystal?
These things. It blows up things.
I'm gonna blow up the spaceship.
Wait, I think TNT is gonna work better. Then we just ignite it all and just
It's gonna
look
blow
at it blow it up.
Yeah.
Okay, just put TNT everywhere. Like everywhere. Before you blow it up, just put TNT like everywhere.
Not on the rail thing because I still wanna ride it.
Yeah, not the rail. Take it away from the rail, not near the rails. Only, yeah, like here and here.
We're having fun.
Yeah, this is fun. Wait. This.
This is amazing.
I'm
But I'm gonna start blowing up.
No, don't. We first have to cover this whole place with TNT. Put TNT everywhere.
How are we gonna get that ready? You can't blow up the whole entire place. I'm gonna start letting things blow up. Starting with this. I have some redstone blocks.
Let's get some redstone blocks. Run.
And that was amazing. Like it blew up the whole place. You just come look over here.
Okay, I'm coming. Yo! This is literally payback for not making us, for,
Flying in a spaceship.
and the moon was not real.
Yeah.
So,
Look where it was on the ground.
I'm so sorry.
Mine doesn't want to work on the ground.
Okay.
It's raining. Did you make it rain just now?
No, I did not. Let's like literally, I'm just gonna change the weather again. This is so irritating. Why does the weather change so clear? I'm just gonna put TNT everywhere. TNT, 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 TNT is so awesome. What? I mean, it's so awesome, not so custom. TNT.
Look, I blew up. Look at I blew up.
Explosion.
We're gonna blow up this whole entire. Everyone know I'm gonna start up with like at this spaceship thing.
Yeah, you go blow that. I'm just gonna blow up this piece of the. Okay, there we go. It looks gorgeous.
Oh.
Okay, I just want to place this last pieces of TNT here.
I see you in that. It's so dark up here. Or it's like still raining a bit up here.
Seriously.
Yeah.
So satisfying. Okay, by the way, I'm coming up now.
Oops. Oh yeah, I can't put blocks on this thing. Cause yeah, you know.
No, I know.
You
I know.
can't explode this thing. Okay, you can't explode the roof because the roof has block on it.
Explosions are so awesome.
It's going to activate it.
I just love explosions.
Nothing happens on this one. If I'm gonna go down, then nothing happens. Oh, there is a few that will blow up.
Make like a place to put them all. Ignite!
Okay.
Get out of here.
Come on.
There's TNT there. Come on. Okay, now I'm gonna explode this place.
I'm gonna go down now.
Oh, it's the block limit. You can't put anything here.
Yes, the block one.
But I'll like float up here.
Like literally, this whole place is blowing up already. Oh my. I'm gonna blow up some holes in it. Ow. Okay, I'm not getting tired blowing up places. What can we do now after we blow up this whole freaking place?
I know, maybe we'll end the video right there.
Bye.
We're not ending it now, you not
Bye.
know.
Bye.
Stop being ridiculously cheapo.
Bye.
Okay, I'm still gonna end the video here. Okay, I won't end the video here. But we literally have been recording for like 27 minutes. So that's a lot of minutes.
You're
Dog.
lying.
No, I'm not. I'm seriously not lying.
Okay, this is
You can look at my screen. Nothing. I'm gonna explore the inside of this place. Oh, what the cheese are you doing, man?
I'm being ridiculous.
Okay, but I think I'm gonna end the video right here.
Give
No.
us a few more minutes.
No,
10,
no,
5,
no,
4.
no.
You should give us 2 more minutes.
Okay, 2 more minutes. Sorry that I'm telling you I'm gonna end the video here, and then I'm not gonna end it here, and then my sister cries in her pants.
I'm not playing it, baby.
You're like 5 years old.
You're lying. I'm 9. Well, I just turned 9.
I know, you're so small. You're like a little baby. A baby with cheese in his mouth.
Not a baby.
You are a human. You are a person, you like cheese, and you like baby grows.
I do not like cheese.
I know you don't like cheese.
And I'm going out of this game. Bye.
Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna destroy these chests. Okay.
I'm going out of the room.
So I'm gonna stop the video right here. So please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.